Section 1. Couch magnet. You are glued to your bed. Your phone is basically fused to your hand. You have been scrolling TikTok for 3 hours straight. The same 3 songs are looping in your head. Your screen time report pops up. It's ugly. You swipe it away instantly. You think you are just lazy. You think you lack willpower. You think you are a failure. You are wrong. It is not your fault. Drop a comment below if you are stuck scrolling right now. Let me know your current screen time. Seriously, smash that like button if you relate to this. It is science. It is a tiny almond-shaped part of your brain. It is called amygdala. Let us travel back in time. Imagine the very first human being. Let us call him Grog. Grog is chilling inside his dark cave. He is resting on a pile of dirt. He is completely safe. Suddenly, something bright catches his eye. A bunch of glowing worms are shining outside the cave. They look super cool. Grog is curious. He decides to stand up. He walks outside to check them out. But bad news for Grog. Giant predator is hiding in the bushes, jumps out, attacks Grog. It kills him instantly. Grog did not survive, did not get to pass on his curious genes. Meanwhile, Grog's brother is named Bob. Bob is incredibly lazy. Bob saw the glowing worms too. Bob did not want to move. Bob stayed sitting on his dirt pile inside the safe cave. Bob survived. Natural selection loved Bob. Evolution chose the humans who stayed put. Chose the ones with a hyperactive amygdala threat detector. This ancient defense mechanism makes you lazy to keep you alive. Think of your amygdala as that primitive security guard inside your head. This guy lives in the Stone Age. He does not understand your modern goals. He does not care about your side hustle. He does not care about your future career. If you find this evolutionary breakdown interesting, make sure to subscribe to the channel right now. We drop videos like this every single week. To this ancient security guard, comfort equals safety. Sitting on your bed is safe. Doom scrolling is safe. No saber-toothed tiger can get you on your bed, but a big change, a massive task, that feels like a life-threatening crisis to him. When you think, I need to grind on this new project for 4 hours, the security guard panics. He hits the big red alarm button. He floods your body with mental resistance. He makes your limbs feel heavy. He forces you to stay safely, doing absolutely nothing. Section 2. Tricking the security guard. You cannot fight this security guard. He is stronger than you. He has thousands of years of evolution on his side. If you try to use raw willpower, you will lose. Every single time, you have to slip right past these security sensors. Enter the 2-minute rule. You stop thinking about the massive task. You shrink the task down. You make it ridiculously small. You make it so small that it looks stupid. Do not try to build an entire workout routine. Just put on your sneakers and stand up by the door. Do not try to clean your entire disaster of a bedroom. Just pick up one single dirty sock from the floor. Do not try to learn coding for your new side hustle. Just open the software app. Your amygdala looks at this micro task. The security guard opens one eye. He sees you opening a laptop. He thinks that takes 2 minutes. It is not dangerous. We are not going to die. The security guard goes right back to sleep. He does not perceive a 2-minute task as a threat. You successfully bypass the security system. Section 3. The momentum engine. Now, here is the brilliant psychological twist. The hardest part of any task is just starting. The friction only exists at the very beginning. Think about a heavy car. Pushing a stopped car is incredibly hard. You sweat, your muscles burn. The car does not move, but once the wheels rotate just a little bit, car gets easier to push. It rolls forward. Newton's first law applies directly to your mind. An object at rest stays at rest. An object in motion stays in motion. The threat detector only guards entrance to the task. It only stands at the front door. Once you cross that tiny 2-minute threshold, everything changes. Your brain switches tracks. You open opened the software app, typed one line of code. Suddenly, you see a small mistake. You fix it. Then you think of another step. You do that one too. Picked up the dirty sock. You notice a stray chip bag next to it. Grab that too. You throw it in the trash. Your brain realizes you are safe. It realizes the task is not a wild beast trying to eat you. It flips on its internal momentum engine. It naturally wants to finish what you started. The mental friction completely vanishes. You can exploit this lazy hack today, right now. Pick the one major project you have been avoiding all week. Tell yourself you are legally allowed to quit after exactly 120 seconds. Set a physical timer on your phone. Hit start. Do the micro version of the task. If your brain still screams after 2 minutes, you have fully permission to stop. No guilt, no shame. You win either way because you built the habit of showing up. But 90% of the time, you will not stop. You will keep going long after the alarm goes off. You will look up and realize 30 minutes just passed. Stop waiting for motivation. Motivation is a scam. Action creates motivation. If this video helped you hack your brain, leave a comment below saying, I started. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more psychological hacks. Set your timer, trick your brain, start moving.